Leadership is not about titles, not about power, not about positions, not about privileges. But leadership is about service delivery. It is about vision and about responsibility. A true leader does not ask, what can I gain? But rather, what can I give? Leadership is measured not by the number of people who serve you, but by the number of people whose lives are changed for better by you as a leader, because of you. And therefore, I know as a leader, I will always serve my people, irrespective of their status, irrespective of their tribe,